Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues in Michigan. Please subscribe to our channel. What are the main reasons why people get divorced? I mean, this is a question I'm asked all the time, at least from my perspective. There was a time way back when people said that very popular reason to get divorced were financial issues. I don't see that much anymore. A lot of people think that people get divorced primarily because of marital infidelities. I don't see that too much anymore either. We have seen an uptake in divorces relating to alcoholism and drugs. Sometimes that becomes an issue. I would say for the most part what people call us up about, and when you ask them what's going on, it's more about the drifting apart of the parties. It's more about the fabric of the marital relationship just withering away. Different interests take people in different directions. We have seen a little bit of situations where people are kind of separated because of work reasons or other reasons. You got one person living in one house, one person living in another house. And so ultimately, they decide, first they think they can do that sort of distance relationship, and then it doesn't work out. I think that, that's a pretty common reason too, but I'd be very hard pressed to tell you which one is the most popular. There are different firms that are in different areas that service a different demographic. And in one demographic, you may find a higher incidence of, let's say, infidelity. In another one, it may be some other kind of thing. So it's very, very hard to say. I don't think there's any one particular thing that we see a lot of. We see, for example, cases where somebody's abusing somebody or there's domestic violence. But again, I wouldn't say that that's the most popular reason. So I do think that there's a whole lot of reasons in a no-fault divorce state why people might get divorced. I think the reasons why people got divorced became more of a statistic when we were in a situation where people had to show what the grounds were for getting divorced. So if you have to show what the reason is, then you can catalog the reasons and say, well, this is the most popular reason. Let's remember, though, in Michigan, to ask for a divorce, you don't need a reason. So therefore, I don't think there's any particular reason one way or another that supports it. I do think if you're in a relationship that is dysfunctional, that's not working out, that's not causing the parties to be happy, that's causing them to be, difficult people, bad parents, causing people to act out because of stress and other things, it's time to reconsider, whether or not the marriage is something that is sustainable. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.